children, we have finished half of our lesson. Delhi. I had told you one assignment. Many of you have done it. Very good. I will show you few pictures which sent by your friends. About Delhi. Who designed Delhi? We studied. Yes, Sir Edwin Lestens. What was the speciality? Yes, the important officers of the ministers are there in Delhi. Red Fort, Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then in front of the Rashtrapati Bhavan there is a garden. What was the name of that? I forgot. What was that? Yes, very good. Mughal Gardens. Then a large road which leads to the Rashtrapati Bhavan. What was known? Yes, Rajpath. The Republic Day parade was held in Rajpath. Then climate. What was the climate? Yes, it is very hot in summer, very cold in winter. Now, we have to study about the life in the people who are living in Delhi, their language. Many people from different places live there. They celebrate almost all the important festivals. Different languages they talk. All that we will study from this part. Then the important monuments which is in Delhi, that also we have to study. People from different parts of our country live and work in Delhi. Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu are the important languages spoken there. Then, people in Delhi celebrate almost all the important festivals of India. Holi, Dasara, Diwali, Christmas, Eid and so on. Delhi is a vast city with good transport system. Delhi Metro help people to move from one place to another safely and quickly. People from all over the world visit Delhi. Rajghat is a memorial to Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was known as the father of the nation. Then a flame kept lit burning at India Gate. It is in the memory of the soldiers who fight for our nation. Rajghat is a memorial to Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was known as the father of the nation. India Gate. It is kept there in memory of the Indian soldiers who gave their lives for the country. There are many monuments, places to visit like Lotus Temple, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, India Gate, Jama Masjid, Jantar Mandir, so on.
Topmost place in Delhi is India Gate. India Gate defines Old Delhi. It was built in 1931 and as a memorial for martyrs of World War I and was also called All India War Memorial. It looks its best at night when all the evening light brightens the area to a significant amount. Number 2 is the very famous Red Fort. This fort is managed by the Archaeological Survey of India and was also declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2007. It became famous ever since Jawaharlal Nehru delivered a midnight speech right before India was going to wake up to witness a sunrise of independence. At 3 is Swami Narayan Akshardham Temple. It is famous for its spiritual and cultural feel and has a huge architectural structure which is 141 feet high and 316 feet wide and is very famous among tourists who come to witness this charming place. The evening light and sound show is a must visit for every visitor. 4th, Hauz Khas. It is situated in South Delhi and is emerging as the most famous tourist spot in the city. It is also known as Mehek Ka Chota Killa. 5th, Qutub Minar. It is a valuable structure of the country and is a part of Qutub Complex which was declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is entirely made of red sandstone and marble and reaches a height of up to 72 meters. It consists of 5 stories and has 379 steps in total. 6th, Connaught Place. Popularly known as CP, this place has a lot of shops, markets, buildings and hotels. Many Bollywood movies are also shot here. Number 7 is Gurudwara Bangla Sahib. Gurudwara Bangla Sahib is known for its association with the 8th Guru, Guru Har Krishan Ji. It has a complex structure with a beautiful pool inside known as Sarovar. Place at number 8 is the very famous Lotus Temple. The Lotus Temple is a major landmark of the city. It is constructed in such a way that it resembles a lotus flower. It can accommodate approximately 2,500 people at a time. It is a Baha'i house of worship, which means people of any religion can visit this temple and offer their prayer. Number 9 is Rashtrapati Bhavan. It is a residence of the president which was earlier known as Viceroy's house. It is entirely of 130 acres that has Mughal gardens, open spaces, office staff and other royal staff. This house consists of 4 floors and 340 rooms which are constructed with great interiors using the best thing possible. At number 10 is the very beautiful Jama Masjid. It is one of the largest mosques in the country and was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. It can accommodate more than 25,000 people at a time. The masjid is now protected by Delhi Waqf Board. 11 is the very vibrant Chandni Chowk. The market design was built by Shah Jahan's daughter Janara. It is considered to be the largest wholesale market in Delhi. Moonlight Square is the English name of this place. 12th, National Rail Museum. The land of this museum spread over 10 acres. The visitors come here for a toy train ride, and apart from this, there are a lot of items on display which attracts their eyes. 13th is the most loved place, Kingdom of Dreams. It is located in NCR, Delhi. It is a leisure spot and entertainment place where people come to enjoy an evening and de-stress themselves. At 14th is Delhi Haat. Delhi Haat is a venture of Delhi Tourism and Transportation Development Corporation. It is spread over an area of 6 acres and is now transformed into a plaza. Apart from shopping, it also is a venue of crafts, music, dance and cultural events held here by different organizations. Number 15th, which is also the last place in the list, is Purana Killa. It is also known as Old Fort and is the oldest fort in Delhi. It was made by Sher Shah Suri. There is also a daily light and sound show that happens after sunset, which talks about the history of the 7 cities of Delhi. Here we sum up with top 15 places to visit in Delhi.
We will read the textbook. Take page number 238. Life in the city. People from different parts of our country live and work in Delhi. Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu and English are the main languages spoken here. The people of Delhi celebrate all major Indian festivals including Holi, Dasara, Diwali, Christmas, Eid, Guru Purab, Mahavir Jayanti and Nowruz. Delhi is a vast city with a good transport system. The Delhi Metro Rail system helps people travel from one part of the city to another safely and quickly. Places to visit. Tourists from all over the world visit Delhi. The city has many famous monuments. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort on Independence Day. Rajghat is the memorial to Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. A flame called Amar Jawan Jyoti is kept burning at India Gate. It is in memory of Indian soldiers who gave their life for the country. Qutub Minar, Humayun's tomb, Jantar Mandir, Lodi Gardens and Chandni Chowk are other important places of tourist interest in Delhi. The Lotus Temple, Jama Masjid, Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, Akshardhan Temple, St. James Church and Birla Mandir are some important places of worship. All of you turn your textbook page. We will do the exercise which is in the textbook. First we will do choose the correct answer. First one, New Delhi was designed by Dash. Answer, Mahatma Gandhi, Humayun, Sir Edwin Lestens. What is the answer? Yes, Sir Edwin Lestens. Second question, the Republic Day parade is held on the Dash. Red Fort, Rajpath. Answer, Rajpath. 3. The Prime Minister's office is in the Dash block. North, West, South. Answer, South. The Dash has the offices of the ministers. Central Secretariat, Parliament House, Prime Minister's office. Answer is Central Secretariat. 5. Dash is a place of worship in Delhi. India Gate, Chandni Chowk, Birla Mandir. Answer, Birla Mandir. Match the words in two columns. Column A, Parliament House, Mughal Gardens, India Gate, Rajghat. Column B, Amar Jawan Jyoti, Memorial to Mahatma Gandhi, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Column A, first one, Parliament House. Parliament House matches to the column B. D, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Draw from Parliament House to Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Second one, Mughal Gardens. From column B, Rashtrapati Bhavan. C, Rashtrapati Bhavan. Mughal Gardens to C, Rashtrapati Bhavan. 3, India Gate. From column B, A, Amar Jawan Jyoti. India Gate to Amar Jawan Jyoti. 4, Rajghat. Column B, B, Memorial to Mahatma Gandhi. Rajghat to Memorial to Mahatma Gandhi. We will write the remaining answers. You have to leave one line, write date and write the next question. Question is, what are the main languages spoken in Delhi? What are the main languages spoken in Delhi? Answer is Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu and English are the main languages spoken in Delhi. Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu and English are the main languages spoken in Delhi. Next question. Why is a flame kept burning at India Gate? Why is a flame kept burning at India Gate? Answer is, a flame kept burning at India Gate is in memory of the Indian soldiers who gave their life for the country. A flame kept burning at India Gate is in memory of the Indian soldiers who gave their life for the country. Next question. Name some places of tourist interest in Delhi. Name some places of tourist interest in Delhi. You can write anyone like Humayun's Tomb, Jantar Mandir, Lodhi Gardens, Lotus Temple, Jama Masjid, Qutub Minar, Akshardhan Temple, Red Fort. Any four you can write. Let us revise once more what all things we have studied. We have studied many things about Delhi. The person who designed Delhi, Sir Edwin Lutyens, he designed the Delhi with great tree-lined roads with parks and gardens. Then Rashtrapati Bhavan, about Rajpath. Rashtrapati Bhavan have 340 rooms in it. Then the climate of Delhi, about the people living in Delhi, the important places, monuments, all these things from New Delhi we have studied. Hope you all have understood everything about Delhi. All of you have to read the textbook and study the notes.